Okay. Next, no, you keep it in a triangle shape. The one, and after that, left and right two. Okay, in the diamond shape triangle. Okay. Hmm? Then next, three times. Okay. Next, four times. Okay. Next, three times. Next row. Next, three times. And two times one. Something like that. Yeah, yeah.
Recording in progress.
Sir, I am not get, getting the logic of this.
Okay, you are not getting.
Yes, sir.
At least you remove that last three rows. Last that 13, 14, 15 line you remove it. Now can you do for this?
I will try.
Yes. You can remove that prime number.
Sir, I'm not getting the actual.
Okay, so at least can you generate in the first row one, second row two, two. In the now you can you show your output?
Yes, sir.
You generate one
Okay.
in the one, two, two, three, three times.
Yes. Sir.
Okay. Now can you reverse it? The first should be the reverse, 5 times 5, then 4 times 4, 3 times
Yes,
3.
sir.
You can generate only 5 times 5, 4 times 4.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, next you count the occurrence of a character in a string. Okay. For example, you just erase it all the code, or you can put it in the comment. Okay, you write one character, one string. Okay, like you can write it, your full name. Okay, now in this you find out the occurrence of the character I in this string.
Okay.
Okay.
So,
No, okay. So no space. Suppose if I want only for the I, not for all the
on,
other characters, only for I to display.
mm, yes, sir.
Okay, I is equal to 3. Okay. Okay, you can stop the sharing. Okay. Uh, so can you tell me a difference between the C and C++ language?
I'm not so much familiar with C++ language, but I can try. C is a procedural programming language, and C++ is a object-oriented programming language. C, C is the mother of C plus. C maybe is mother of the C++ language.
Okay.
And
Then
I not much know about
okay.
C++.
Then can you tell me our OOPS concepts?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
OOPS can be abbreviated as Object-Oriented Programming Language. It is a paradigm to solve a complex problem in an easier way using class and method. Class can be called as a template or blueprint of any object. It is just how the in class we described how behaviors and methods of the object. When object is that instant of the class, we can give an example like if engineers build an architecture build the uh, blueprint of the house, then then we can live in the blueprint of the house. This is and the builders build that house in a real world. Builders can build many houses of that of this of that blueprint. So in this we can say that the class is the blueprint and the object is the actual house.
Okay.
The object
What
oriented
are the main features of OOPS?
inheritance, encapsulation, data abstraction, and polymorphism.
Okay.
Can I describe?
Yes, yes.
Yes. So, inheritance is a process in which one class inherits the properties from the other class is known as the inheritance. The class which inherited the property from other class is known as the child class. The class which gives inherits its property is known as the parents class. And in polymorphism is a Greek word. When we break the word poly means many, morph means form. There are many forms to solve a problem. We can say that polymorphism is a process in which same function name can then meaning operation. There are two types of polymorphism: runtime polymorphism and compile time polymorphism. Runtime polymorphism can be example of method overloading, and compile time polymorphism is an example of method overriding. Method overloading means the same in a class having the same function name. There are more than one function which are having same function name is in a class, but functionality is different. And this is called as method overloading. Python does not support method overloading concept. In Python, we can use method overloading by uh, using a program which can do different functionality in different situations.
Oh,
Method overriding is a process in which a parents class same method is defined in the both the classes, parents class and the child class, and the child class overrides the method of the parents class is known as the method overriding.
oh,
And encapsulation is a process in which we wrapping of the data and method into a single block of code is known as encapsulation. And data abstraction means we are showing only the necessary and relevant data to the user. We did not see the irrelevant and unusual data to the user. Like we can give the example of we all are know familiar with how we are using mobile phones. We and from we text a message send, we messages, we make a call, but we don't know how the messages are sent and how the call are going to happen, how a call are taken. This data is abstracted from the user. This is known as the abstraction.
can you tell me the types of inheritance?
There are four types of inheritance: single line inheritance, multiple inheritance, multi-level inheritance, and hierarchical inheritance.
Okay, and what is the use of this inheritance in programming?
Inheritance is used to reusability of the code.
Okay,
We can mm,
is it?
yeah,
Okay. Now, what is
reusable
constructor?
constructor in Python init method is called the constructor. It's like constructor. When we create any object of any class, then init method automatically calls and it will create the instance variable of an object.
Oh, and
Using
what
method
about
of an
copy constructor?
copy constructor used to copy and not manage.
Okay, what is garbage collection?
Garbage collection is used in Python. Like C, we do not need to uh, when we create a dynamic type variable in C, we need to remove the we remove the pointer to pointing out that variable. But in Python, there is no this type of concept.
No,
Python is
actually,
dynamic.
what is the use of this garbage collection?
So garbage collection is used to uh,
Is it related to memory?
yeah, sir.
So
It is related to memory.
how?
So it is used to uh, reassign the memory for
No.
not only
What is the difference between class and method?
yes. Class is a blueprint of an object, and a method is a function which we declare inside a class.
Okay, what is the exception?
Exception in Python, sir, exception handling.
Yes.
When when write a program, when we write a program, when the program does not contain some logical error, it does not contain some syntax error, then this type of error can be occurred in our program because of the wrong code, logical code. So this is can handle by exception handling
Okay. What are the
using
okay? What are the limitations of oops?
limitations of Sometimes
Is it suitable for large problems or small problems?
it is more suitable for large problems.
Okay, and what about small problems?
A small problem, we can solve a small problem by using functions.
Okay. So you are good in which programming language?
Python.
Python. Okay. What about Java?
I am not knowing Java. I
Okay.
only know the C and Python.
Okay. Can you tell me some features of Java programming language?
I only know the Java is a object-oriented programming language. Java, Java can be used in web development, and Java is also used in.
Have you studied in your academy Java?
No, sir.
Okay, but you are gone through the C and C++, Python.
Yes, the
Okay.
C++. Only in academic we are studying C language.
Okay. And how you gone through this Python? Is it there
In
in academy?
lockdown, no, sir. By from me, I using in lockdown I studied about Python.
Okay, means
I started
the
to.
Python language is not included in your syllabus.
Yes, sir.
Okay, but you are done by your own in through HackerRank platform.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
From
Uh,
YouTube and Hacker.
okay. And what about computer network?
Sir, I have in academics there is no subject, but I read some concept of computer network.
Okay. So can you tell me the different means the network structure types?
Different types of
Network
network
structure.
structure. Yes, sir. There are four or five types of mesh topology, bus topology, and star topology, bus topology, mesh topology, hybrid topology,
Okay.
and
Okay. So
in
yeah. So can you differentiate between LAN and WAN?
yes, a LAN means local area network. It is based upon the 10 meter. It is in 10-meter area. LAN you can use in LAN in office area or in school building. WAN is a wide area network. It is in the range of the whole country or whole
Okay.
country. It has a wide range of area.
Okay. So can you tell me difference between IPv4 protocol and IPv6 internet protocol?
Yes, sir. IPv4 protocol is 32 bits,
Okay.
based on 32 bits, and IPv6 address is based on 128 bits.
Okay. Can you tell me what is the difference between database and database management system? DBMS.
Data, yes, sir. Database management system is a software or program which is used to create and manage the database. And database is a structured collection of data, and which can access the data and create, delete, and update the data in data. Database management system example of like MySQL.
Okay. So what is SQL?
SQL is a structured query language. It is used to communicate with the database. Structure is used to delete, update, insert the data into the database.
Okay. Is there any difference between DBMS and RDBMS?
Yes, sir. DBMS means database management system. It is a software program which is used to manage or access the data, and RDBMS stores the data in form of table in the form of table, and so that it can more efficient than DBMS.
Oh,
RDM is more efficient than DBMS because we can access the data easily. We can access and manage the data easily in RDMS because it is in table form.
okay. Then have you used any database like in your project and all?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
For
Okay.
the persistent interview, I for the persistent company, I learned database,
Okay. Okay.
some concept of database and SQL.
Okay. Vinita, good. See, uh, as you are from the electronics communication department, but still you are gone through the programming, that is Python, and I think you are having 5 star in the program that hacker rank, right? Okay, so
Yes, sir.
it is your like a greatest strength that in the lockdown you utilized the time and you are sure you are with your interest, like with your interest. Because even for electronics and all, because in their academic, I think they don't you don't have these subjects, database management. Now in some of the colleges they are including, okay, they are including the Python database management and all. Now they are adding, because even because electronics ENTC, electronics communication students also, they are shifting to the IT industry. So
Yes, sir.
okay, it is you are one of your strength. And also like in the coding also, no, there is no problem. Okay, you can do it. So what you do, just speak confidently, that's all. Okay.
Yes,
Have you
sir.
attended any other interview previously?
No, sir.
Okay, this is your first interview, mock interview.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So one thing is that like you speak confidently, and like for example, in some of the questions you don't say that I don't know, like in the Java and all. Okay. See, you can tell, like for example, you have gone through the C language, Python language and all. So if you know one language, then definitely you can learn easily the other language. Okay, it is not that much difficult. Okay. So because with your own self study you are covered, you are like almost you are done some learned yourself in the Python programming. So you can do it, that you have that skill. Hmm? That is your strength, so be confident on that. That you can tell that you can learn any language as per the requirement, as per the project requirement and all. So
Yes,
quick learner is your one of the strength that you can mention.
yes,
Okay. And
yes, sir.
like some questions like yeah, definitely they will ask one question to ask the interviewer. Okay, so you be ready with 1 or 2 questions. Okay, you can
Yes, sir.
ask to the interview, and also for some questions like will you relocate anywhere and all. Okay, so such a just to give some positive answers. So
I'm not so much preparing for the digital interview. Tomorrow I got the result tomorrow. And
no, you can manage it. You can manage
Recording stopped.
both the interview. You can manage it. Okay, but you